Hey, it's Miss Phelps, and today we're going to be talking about inductive and deductive reasoning. We're going to kind of do a compare and contrast. So let's get started. Okay, inductive and deductive reasoning. Now, inductive reasoning is based on observations. Deductive reasoning is based on facts and definitions. So whenever they say just the facts, that's what deductive reasoning is. Inductive reasoning is based on past experiences, so pretty much like a pattern you see happening over and over again, you can make inductive reasoning on. Deductive, you use postulates, properties, theorems, definitions, that kind of thing. It's things that have already been proven. Inductive reasoning moves from specific observations and then you create a general rule about it. Deductive reasoning is a general rule or general observation and you move to specific result. Inductive reasoning is it's useful in providing a conjecture or a hypothesis, and remember, that's like an educated guess or something you think is happening. Deductive reasoning is useful in proving conjectures as well, and it always leads to a valid conclusion. Okay, inductive reasoning does not always lead to a valid conjecture. So just because you see it happening 2 or 3 times does not mean it happens every single time. Deductive reasoning always leads to a valid conclusion, provided your assumptions are true, but they have to be true in order for everything else to work out correctly. So pretty much inductive reasoning is just what you've seen happening. So remember, you're in it, so it's inductive. Deductive, it's just the facts, ma'am. So I got 2 little things I want to read to you and just kind of give you an idea. The first one says, there is a myth that you can balance an egg on its end only on the spring equinox. A person who is able to balance an egg on September 8th, September 21st, and December 19th. Therefore, this myth is false. So how did they come about this? Did they use inductive reasoning or deductive reasoning? Well, they actually were looking at a pattern that happens several different times, so they used inductive reasoning. Now let's read the next one. There is a myth that the Great Wall of China is the only man-made object visible from the moon. The Great Wall of China is barely visible in the photographs taken from 180 miles from Earth. The moon is about 237,000 miles from Earth. Therefore, the myth cannot be true. Okay, now this just basically dealt with just facts. So the facts say that there's no way this could be possible. So that time we used deductive reasoning. We're going to be using this some more tomorrow in class. So get ready and I'll see you then. Thanks and make good choices.